Did you know that what you put on your plate today could decide the health of your heart tomorrow? It's true. Your diet plays a massive role in keeping your heart strong and preventing best veggies to prevent a heart attack. Top 7 vegetables. And if you're over 60, the right foods can make all the difference. Your heart has been working non-stop since the day you were born, beating over 100,000 times a day, pumping blood through thousands of miles of arteries and veins. But as we get older, our blood vessels start to stiffen, cholesterol builds up, and our risk of heart disease increases. The good news? Nature has given us some powerful heart-healing foods, vegetables packed with the right nutrients to support a strong heart, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. In this video, we're going to talk about the 7 best vegetables to prevent a heart attack. These aren't just any vegetables. Each one has specific benefits that help keep your heart in top shape. So whether you're looking to lower your blood pressure, clear out clogged arteries, or just keep your heart beating strong for years to come, stay with me. Let's start with the first heart-saving veggie. Let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These greens are some of the most powerful heart-protecting foods you can eat. Why? Because they're packed with nitrates, and vitamin K nitrates help relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure, one of the biggest risk factors for heart disease. Vitamin K, on the other hand, helps keep calcium from building up in your arteries. You might not realize it, but calcium deposits in your blood vessels make them stiff and narrow, increasing your risk of heart attacks. Eating more leafy greens helps prevent this. And here's a simple tip. If you don't love eating salads, try blending spinach or kale into a smoothie. You won't even taste it, but your heart will thank you. Now let's move on to beets. Beets are like nature's blood pressure medicine. Just one serving of beets can lower blood pressure within hours. That's how powerful they are. The secret is in their natural nitrates. Just like leafy greens, beets boost nitric oxide in your body, which helps relax and widen blood vessels. This means better circulation, less strain on your heart, and a lower risk of high blood pressure. And if you don't like the earthy taste of beets, try roasting them. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, making them taste much better. You can also juice them or add them to a salad for a heart-healthy boost. Next up, we have garlic. Now, I know what you're thinking. Garlic isn't a vegetable, but because it's commonly eaten like one, we're including it here. And trust me, your heart will thank you for it. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that helps lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even prevent blood clots. Think of it as a natural blood thinner that keeps your arteries clear and your blood flowing smoothly. Studies show that people who eat garlic regularly have a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. So if you're serious about protecting your heart, try to include garlic in your meals daily. You can mince it into salad dressings, stir it into soups, or even roast whole garlic cloves and spread them on toast. Now that we've covered leafy greens, beets, and garlic, let's move on to even more powerful heart-protecting vegetables. Now that we've talked about leafy greens, beets, and garlic, let's move on to the next powerhouse vegetable that can keep your heart in top shape. Let's talk about bell peppers. These colorful, crunchy veggies are more than just a pretty addition to your plate. They're loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which are fantastic for your heart. Vitamin C helps reduce inflammation in the arteries, preventing damage that can lead to heart disease. But here's something many people don't realize. Bell peppers also contain potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in your body and keeps your blood pressure under control. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the biggest risk factors for heart attacks, and potassium-rich foods like bell peppers help relax the blood vessels and improve circulation. The best part? They're delicious and easy to add to your meals. Eat them raw in salads, sauté them with a little olive oil, or stuff them with heart-healthy grains like quinoa for a nutritious meal. Now let's move on to broccoli. You might have grown up hearing that broccoli is good for you, but did you know it's one of the best vegetables for heart health? Broccoli is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps fight inflammation and protect blood vessels. Studies show that eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli can lower cholesterol, improve arterial function, and even help prevent heart attacks. And here's something interesting. Broccoli is also a natural detoxifier. It helps your liver break down toxins that can contribute to heart disease. So the next time you're thinking about what to put on your plate, add some steamed, roasted, or lightly sautéed broccoli. Even if you're not a fan, try tossing it with a little garlic and olive oil for a simple, heart-healthy side dish. Next up, we have tomatoes. Now, I know some people think of tomatoes as a fruit, but in the world of nutrition, they're often treated as a vegetable. And when it comes to heart health, tomatoes are one of the best things you can eat. Why? Because they're loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your heart by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Lycopene also helps improve blood vessel function, making it easier for your heart to pump blood efficiently. But here's a secret. Cooked tomatoes are even better for you than raw ones. Cooking increases the amount of lycopene your body absorbs, so try adding tomato sauce to your meals, roasting tomatoes in the oven, or making a homemade tomato soup. If you love fresh tomatoes, you can also slice them up and drizzle them with olive oil for a heart-healthy boost. We've covered some of the most powerful heart-protecting vegetables so far, but we still have one more left. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one. We've already talked about some of the best vegetables for keeping your heart strong. Leafy greens, beets, garlic, bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. But there's one more powerful vegetable left, and it might just be the most important one of all. Let's talk about avocados. Yes, avocados are technically a fruit, but because they're often eaten as a vegetable, they deserve a spot on this list. And when it comes to heart health, avocados are nothing short of a miracle food. Why? Because they're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. These three nutrients work together to lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. In fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas. And as we mentioned earlier, potassium is essential for keeping blood pressure in check and reducing strain on the heart. Studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly have lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. You can mash them onto whole grain toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even eat them straight with a spoon and a little sprinkle of sea salt. Now that we've covered all 7 of these heart-saving vegetables, let's quickly go over why they're so important. Your heart is the engine that keeps you going, and what you eat can either fuel it or damage it. By adding more leafy greens, beets, garlic, bell peppers, broccoli, tomatoes, and avocados to your diet, you're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay strong, pump efficiently, and keep your arteries clear. And here's the best part, it's never too late to start. No matter your age, the small choices you make every day add up. Even if you just add 1 or 2 of these veggies to your meals, your heart will feel the difference. So here's a challenge for you. Try adding at least 1 of these vegetables to your diet every day for the next week. Notice how you feel, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you want more tips on living a long, healthy life, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, let me know in the comments, which of these heart-healthy vegetables do you already eat, and which ones are you excited to try? I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and here's to keeping your heart healthy and strong for years to come.